Welcome to Bright Beginnings at Home, where little minds shines and big adventures start. Today the letter E is the letter of the day spotlight. E is for elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals in the world. They use their long trunks to pick up food, drink water, and even give friendly hugs. E is for egg. Eggs come in different colors and sizes. Did you know that eggs can be white, brown, or even blue? They're also used to make yummy foods like scrambled eggs or omelets. E is for Earth. Earth is our home, the only planet we know that has water, trees, and animals. It's a beautiful blue and green planet. E is for Eagle. Eagles are strong birds known for their excellent eyesight. They can fly very high and spot their food from far away. E is for eraser. Erasers are fun tools that help fix mistakes when we write or draw. They often come in many fun shapes and colors. What is your favorite E word? Let's trace the letter E. The uppercase E is made of 4 strokes. First, place your finger on the number 1 and move your finger along the dotted line to the bottom. Now place your finger on the number 2 and move your finger across the dotted line. Now place your finger on the number 3 and move your finger across the dotted line. Now place your finger on the number 4 and move your finger across the dotted line. Great job! You can pause the video and practice again and again. Happy tracing! Parents, here are instructions on how to help your child write the letter E. Thank you for watching. See you next time.